Courthouse corruption. A former Bexar County District Court judge and a former attorney are both sentenced to federal prison for their roles in a bribery scandal that rocked the local justice system.
Almost a year ago to the day, Judge Angus McGinty stood on the steps of the federal courthouse and said, "I am not guilty." Today, that defiant tone was gone, and he apologized for betraying the public's trust.
Attorney Al Acevedo pled guilty in March to bribery charges. He offered automotive repairs to District Judge Angus McGinty in exchange for favorable judicial consideration for two of his clients.
Former Judge Angus McGinty visibly shaken after being sentenced to 2 years in federal prison for accepting bribes.
It was very tough.
In a plea deal, he admitted to allowing a local attorney to repair his two Mercedes in exchange for favorable rulings. McGinty told the judge today he's been living in hell and he deserves it.
What we're enduring is nothing compared to what other families endure. We'll be fine.
McGinty will turn himself into a federal prison later this year. So will former attorney Alberto Acevedo Jr., who will spend a year and a day behind bars for offering the bribes. Acevedo declined to speak to us on camera after tearfully apologizing in court, saying he deserved his sentence.
Judge Rodriguez said that based on the documents he's read, Bexar County courthouse corruption doesn't end with this case, something to which McGinty's lawyer took exception.
There's no bribery, there's no dishonesty, there's a lack of understanding on what happens over there sometimes and the volume that the state handles versus the volume the feds handle.
The federal judge who handed down the sentences said something very interesting in court. He said, quote, "I am of the opinion that this does not stop here." He said he is certain that other judges were offered bribes. It remains unclear, though, if more judges and more attorneys will be prosecuted.